Hey guys, another exciting day. Looks like in Montana, near actually in the Yellowstone River, train collapsed. Well, actually, a bridge collapsed. They say a bridge collapsed, and the train derailed into the river. But it's carrying uh, stuff, hazardous stuff. So another instance of what happened. Um, According to this, the bridge collapsed and the train crashed into the river. So now there's a response team going out there trying to resolve the situation here. So this is in Montana and the Yellowstone River. So interesting. More stuff happening. Check out my Rumble page. I've got some more reports regarding this. So